Welcome everyone. Good morning, good morning, good morning. On this wonderful, wonderful, wonderful morning in London, which is not gonna happen because there's a bank holiday. And today is, I think it's gonna be, let me start with a question. What are we doing here today, right? That's the big question. What are we doing here? Good morning everyone. Good morning Crypto, Trader G, applause to you guys and everyone who's tuned in. What are we doing, honestly, on this Monday? No volume, nothing is open. I mean, Frankfurt is open, some other markets are open, yes, but crypto market is open. I saw the message there, crypto, gold. I checked on gold just this morning, so that's interesting. Good morning, Peter. So we have some stuff open. Oh, I have to change the My Funded Futures promo. The static account is not 40%. I think it's down to 30% right now. So let's check it. How was the weekend for you guys? Hope everybody had some good rest. Hope everybody had an awesome weekend. There. This should be the one. All right. Well, on gold we could be going higher, but who knows. Interesting though, because we have London closed today and we already are moving in the same 10 points range when we used to move pre-London on a normal day. But let's go out to a little bit bigger time frames. For example, on the 15-minute. Hey Zabak! Press for 10 on gold. Sorry, press for 10. I read press. 10 on gold. Let's check on gold. I'm curious. We have equal highs, by the way, here. Quite interesting. Hey, Gary. We have equal highs up there. And what else? We have equal lows as well. Let's zoom out a little bit more. Hard to tell. I was actually backtesting something, this linear regression channel on Bitcoin over the weekend. That was interesting. Had some good trades. Not that I trade Bitcoin, but I just wanted to see it working on a quote-unquote live market. So, good morning now. Hard to tell. On the 1 hour, there is no fair value gap on gold anywhere. This is not even an order block. If I go to the 4 hour, I do like this low down there. Otherwise, there's really nothing that I like here. Don't really know. Let's go back to Nasdaq. We have some Asia lows here, some Sunday lows. I would rather go short here. I would go short. Most likely. On these ones. Both on gold and NQ. But it's hard to tell. What the hell? Streamlabs is spamming again. Sorry guys. I have to do some new setup. What does it do? That was paper trading. Alright, anyway. Fair value gap below 833. What else? Structure shift happened here. That's true. Are we gonna go down? I don't know. Let me check one tower. All right, nothing special. Okay, nothing special. Eliezer, hey there. Good to see you. Oops, sorry. So if I look on gold, I'd say they're in a discount on the 1 minute, 5 minute as well. Nothing special. I'd like to see Nasdaq to go lower, to be honest. I watched everything. Some good swing lows down there. Why not? You know, should be dropping. What would be the distance from 61 all the way down to 48? At least today's low. Good go. Jó reggelt. Good morning. Jó reggelt. Üdvözöllek. Fellow Hungarian trader here. So, how was the weekend for you guys? I hope everybody feels energized. I mean, today might be one of those days that, and look at that, it goes, might be one of those days that we should be taking off, right? I mean, I don't expect anything to move. Are we having anything tomorrow? Nothing really. Anyway, should be very quiet. It is full trading hours, or yeah, it's early close. Yeah, today. Yeah. I think it's gonna early close is gonna be at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on the Nasdaq. So almost like a half day opening. So we could be having some volume popping in at the 9:30 open. Who knows? Otherwise, I think the move is gonna be done in about 1 hour after open, if there's going to be any move at all. So, I mean, should be ending everything until 11 a.m. So yeah, 1 p.m. I think. Yeah, we need to. We need to make the most of it early. Yeah. We need to. Anyway, guys, I was just... Look at what I was playing around over the weekend. This is Bitcoin. Not that I trade Bitcoin. I don't care about Bitcoin, but nothing was moving except Bitcoin. And I was playing around with the linear, how do they pronounce it? Linear regression channel over the weekend with some stochastic and Heiken Ashi. Just to try to scalp a little bit. More or less success. I had some big loss, but some bigger winner too. So far, I like the results. 25, 26. So Saturday, Sunday, made some good trades with this, mostly for scalping. So I was playing around with this. It was very interesting. So for example, here there was a another nice buy scenario here, which I didn't take. Anyway, I don't trade Bitcoin. There was just nothing else. Hey. I don't really like to I mean, I like to backtest, but if there's a market where I can quote unquote forward test an indicator or a system, that is even better. I just saw a few videos over the weekend that some traders who are day trading were making some good progress with linear regression channels and using the Heiken Ashi. So I thought, all right, let's play around. So that's what I did. Good morning, Marco. Anyway, you know what we can do? We can actually put this on Nasdaq. And we can paper trade this. How about that? We can paper trade this. This is actually a buy right here. How about that? I can actually buy this, put the stop here, put the TP up there. We'll see what happens, right? This is just paper trading, guys. Paper trading. You found my secret. I did. All right. I'm just playing around, guys. Nothing serious is happening here. This is paper trading. I mean, I'm not even sure I want to put on, I mean, definitely not trading on the funded accounts on a Monday like this. So I'm still thinking to put on any trade on evaluation accounts, but why not, you know? Linear regression, interesting. So I can't even tell you what videos these were, but it was inspirational to see how some of these traders are only going for like 3-4 points, like 20-30 ticks, even on the 1 minute. So I thought, why not? We only live once, you know. So just paper trading. But if we see a nice setup, we go and take it on the evaluation accounts. How is everybody? Tell me something good. How are you guys? All right, let's see what's going on. I'm trying to target the midsection, the mid-level of this channel. There you go. I don't even know how much that was. Not too much profit, I think. Yeah. Anyway, this was a good one. Paper trading, paper trading, paper trading. What profit targets do you go for if you think only 30 points? I mean, points or ticks, you know. And that's a good question, Journeyman, and welcome. So I would say the least target on Nasdaq, every market is different. The least target that I should be going for, and this is not valid here because I just went for like 3 points ish, not even that, 4 maybe. It would be like 6 to 8 points, which is, how much is that? For example, 1 point is 4 ticks, right? So about 24-30 ticks. 24-30 ticks, yeah. 25-30 ticks, whatever. That would be the bare minimum. That's even very low. Slow weekend here in the UK. Bank holiday, yeah. Everything is quiet. Thank the gods. Yeah. Yeah, ticks. Yeah. So this here, how much is this? I don't even know how much. To like 15, whatever. But it would be great to go for the if you're scalping and you're going for very small things, at least the 20 ticks should be the bare minimum. So in this case, I was just trying to target the midsection of this channel. Gary Wall, what's up? So that's what we do. Nice. What's funny? 12, 15 ticks. Yeah, something like that. I thought I'm going to rest over the weekend, and I didn't. Tom, you on vacation this week? Why do you say that? I'm not on vacation, but maybe I should be. Maybe it's because of my shirt. I don't know. Maybe I should be on vacation. I know I'm speaking all kind of stupid things. I failed all my PA accounts Friday. All your PA accounts? Come on. What happened? What happened? What just happened? So, what I wanted to say is we had some family visit over the weekend, and I was super tired. We had some kids and everything. Performance account, that's what it means, which is actually every prop firm calls it differently. TOPSTEP calls it XFA account, Express Funded account, that's what they call it, XFA. Apex calls it performance account, or what is that? Not performance, sorry. Is that performance account what it stands for? I don't know. Some other prop firm calls it master account, or MA account, MA, PA, XFA, whatever. Every prop firm has a different fantasy name for the funded account. Basically, it's a funded account. Yeah, a lot of people are using the PA acronym because everybody uses Apex in one, I mean, in some way. But yeah. Well, let's look at this. Are we going for some new highs at 87? Could be. Let's look at the 15-minute. Yeah, so buy side liquidity, I would put this one here. Although there is no fair value gap or anything right there. It's not even a, well, we could say that this is an order block, but not a real good one. So 86 would be that level. So price most likely, hold on a second. Okay, never mind. So this can go higher. Anyway. Interesting morning. Nothing is really moving. Trading in bed, RT. And my girlfriend decides to fart. Oh man. Okay. I guess everybody has some difficulties on a day like this, but hey. I tried to picture it, and yeah, it would be a good TikTok video, I guess. Uh, all right. It feels like it is one of those mornings when you think one thing and the opposite happens exactly. So think about poverty, having no money, having no luxury cars, you know, anything like that. And it should be popping into your life, everything. Guys, honestly, this is I'm gonna change the title as well. This is gonna be a different trading session than usual. So right now it says live day trading futures. I don't know. Live day trading futures. Have a look at Gary network. Okay, I'm gonna look at it. Actually, I have so many meme coins listed up. I am going to buy one or two of these shit coins. Sorry, excuse my French. So I'm definitely going to buy some shit coins and meme coins, which are more than likely going to fail. So I definitely want to do that. And these coins are going to be some coins that are definitely going to, I mean, very, very high chance that they're going to go down. So I'm going to hold them until they're bust or until they go to 10x. If it takes 120 years, we're going to wait for about 120 years to go 10x or go bust. Who cares, right? Gary network. I'm going to check it out. Gary network. All right. I'll write it down. Oh, nice. It's already down. All right. So that's a good position to buy. What is happening? Reached higher. Okay, hovering. No real targets here. Good morning, Isham. How you doing? How you guys are doing? How you doing, Isham? Its project is good. You will get 10x soon. No need to wait too long. I guess just launch, but also. Okay, there you go. Dumper immediately. I guess you're saying that to who said it? RT. Yeah. So a lot of meme coins. Actually, the thing that I want to do with crypto is I'm not looking for. I mean, I burned myself super hard with crypto over the years, and I lost a bunch of money. So I'm gonna, if I buy something, I'll make sure that if I buy again, it's definitely going to be a shit coin, because hoping that a coin will be something great in the future is false hope, right? So I'm not going to give any more false hope to any coin, because let's face it, even the so-called best coins with quote-unquote real technology behind are basically shit coins. So if I try to buy more coins, and that's a big if still, I'm gonna make sure that those are real shit coins. So most likely meme coins that has absolutely no value, has a very, very high chance for a rug pull, and most likely worth absolutely nothing. So this is going to be like an experiment. So and the experiment is going to be like which coin can make it to 10x, because these coins are going to be a fraction of a cent with enough supply and stuff like that, that it has the potential to 10x if market picks them up. So those are the coins that I'm looking to buy, and I'm willing to lose all of the coins, everything, all the value, and let's see if some of those coins are gonna make it to 10x. But it's gonna be a different project, and of course I'm not gonna be live streaming it, but I'll make a separate video about it maybe. Hey Pat, how's it going? I think actually somebody made a video about this. Let me check on it. Oh yeah, there are plenty of videos for buying shitcoins. All right. Okay. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna be buying shitcoins. Hey Oracle, how's it going? This is my new strategy. I'm just joking, of course, but this is my new strategy. It's the linear regression, SMI, looking into the future, whatever strategy, which has a 91%, not 92, but 91% win ratio, with a risk of 10 to reward of 1. So it's an awesome strategy. It's a great one. Actually, I went crazy today with this session because we don't have any London Open. I don't really think that there's gonna be anything special happening today, but I thought, nice AK setup. Well, I mean, we were just, you know, playing here. Does the strategy come with free? Yes, it has free hand jobs. Absolutely. You name the place, and we have some professional ladies or gents who are ready to take care of you guys. Of course. Oh my god, this is going the wrong way. Anyway. But we have everything. What is happening here? We should be going for that 86, right? What time is London session time start every day? Hey Andy, good to see you. London starts officially at 3 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So it's gonna be right here, but it's not going to be starting today, as there is a bank holiday in London, which due to, I don't know why, spring bank holiday. There's a spring bank holiday in the UK. Low liquidity and irregular volatility. Okay, so 3 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and the silver bullet hour should be until 4 a.m. but I don't really care about silver bullet hour, but it should be that. And what else? We don't have, yeah, we have a half day. Well, let's just say half day open with New York. I don't think there's going to be too much volume in the New York session. Maybe some price action after 9:30 for the first half hour or something, and maybe for an hour, but that's the max, and that's gonna be it. But hey, I'm gonna show you guys. We made some awesome trades. Where is it? I fooled around with Bitcoin over the weekend with this linear regression strategy. Look at this. Made a few trades, and actually it was good. I mean, look at it. I had a big loss here, negative 368, but I made a bigger win overall. Oh, that's an old trade here, but some good trades over the weekend. I needed a market with some volatility, or not volatility, but I needed a live market for the test, which actually happened. All right. And I am forward testing this brand new strategy from the future, for futures from the future, which is absolutely has at least a 91% win ratio. You only have to risk 10 for 1. So the risk to reward ratio is absolutely negative. And if you trade it long enough, you might make it to break even. So that's what I'm testing. Otherwise, I don't know. No trading on the funded account today. And by the way, guys, I love everyone being here. We're gonna have some good time. Sounds epic, right? Please, guys, push the like button and subscribe to the channel. There's going to be some good stuff coming on. Hopefully tonight, as I said last week, maybe on Monday. So hopefully tonight, I'll be updating my website and stuff. The giveaway starts. So it's going to be great. It's going to be great. All right. I'll be right with you guys. All right, never mind. Hey, Supham. How you doing? Man, please share some strategies. I want to. And definitely, let's talk about this strategy, all right? I mean, all joking aside, I was recommended this strategy. I know a guy in person who makes good money with this, but it's not that simple as it looks like. I mean, you still have to know market structure. You still have to know the basics like liquidity levels, you know, even fair value gaps, order blocks. All this stuff can help you. The smart money concepts can also apply on this one. This is just an entry model, so not even a strategy. I would say that right here what you see is just an entry model. I'm still using the levels that I'm using. I'm still looking for liquidity sweeps and all that stuff. So anyway, this is a linear regression channel and Heiken Ashi candles. So I don't know anything special about the linear regression channel in this case. By the way, we're still looking for a buy side at 86. So it's an automatic indicator, and of course it's repainting. This dotted line is the previous channel that was drawn. Anyway, helping you to identify overbought and oversold situations. So it's very simple. We have the stochastic SMI here, overbought, oversold. I don't have a template for this right now. All I have is, so which one is this? This is the linear regression channel. That's it. Everything is basic settings, nothing changed. Basic linear regression channel. Linear regression channel. I put that to my favorites. It's the editor's pick as well. So that's it. Nothing special. It has 11 or almost 12,000 users using this channel indicator. Otherwise, the only thing I have here is the SMI, also standard. This is Top G's or Nescalp God's favorite SMI indicator. It doesn't really matter. You can use RSI, whatever, some kind of an oscillator you can use. But for now, I have the SMI. This is also in so stochastic momentum index. That's the name of it. Base settings. Nothing special. That's it. These are the two. And I changed to Heiken Ashi candles. Heiken Ashi candles, not that I don't really like Heiken Ashi candles right now because I never really traded with it. So I do like the regular candles much better. But as many traders who are trading with the Heiken Ashi, they are entering into, for example, a long position. Let me zoom it out. On a candle like this. So this here. This middle candle here. Oh, I can't. All right, never mind. How can I can't. Anyway, the candle at 209 on the 1 minute. This is the 1 minute chart. The 209 candle has no wick to the downside, which means it's a strong push to the upside at Heiken Ashi. And also we have a doji candle here, which is almost the same like on regular candles. Pretty much indecision in the markets, indicating it can be bearish or bullish, whatever, doesn't really matter. This doji candle is indicating a possible change in direction. We have a push here, and the stochastic SMI indicator is in the oversold section here, and also we are at the bottom of the linear regression channel. So what can you do? You enter a long position after this candle closes. So enter on the next one, which I did right here. Nothing special. My take profit was up here because the midsection of the channel, this midline here, was actually here somewhere. but it's repainting, guys. It's repainting. It's a repainting indicator, of course. And it was here, so I targeted the mid-level. If you're more aggressive, you can go higher. It's up to you, and it's up to your standards. What are you looking for? What are your targets? And that's where market structure and basic understanding of the market comes in. So this is just what I showed you. This is just an entry model. This is not a complete strategy. You need more understanding of the market. Where could it go? Where is the next draw on liquidity? For now, it seems like the draw on liquidity will be at 86. At this point, you could have also held one until it's reaching the 86, and this is the entry model. This is only the entry model. But if you want to go safe, you can just exit at the midpoint, and that's it. You can leave a runner if you have a good target. So since we're at the top of the channel, we can expect a drop here, but because we like smart money concepts, or well, I'm not everybody likes it, but I'm trading with using some concepts from smart money concepts. I would like to wait until price sweeps the 86. So when it does, and if it turns bearish in the channel with the stochastic and with the Heiken Ashi, I might take a chance. Now, if it's gonna take a hard dip and it's reaching the mid-level, it's a no trade, obviously. And that's it. Renko, I know Renko. I never traded with Renko as well. I never traded regularly with the Heiken Ashi as well. So never. I don't know. I don't have an opinion about Renko because I know it is. I know many traders using Renko as well because it smooths out the price movements, but don't really know what to make of it. We're getting ready to pop this buy side at 86. Should be going through. It's like 2 points. So if it does, I'm going to be checking the Heiken Ashi once more. Because if I go higher on the 15-minute, what else do we have? I mean, we have some targets. We still have some targets, but look at that. It failed to go higher. It failed to reach the 933 level on and this was on Friday. Yeah, so it wanted to go for that fair value gap at 934. It failed. It went down, so it might try to reach for it once more. Break the Friday high. This is actually a bearish order block. So, and look at it, how beautifully it aligns here. Beautiful. Has been mitigated once here on, this was Thursday. Mitigated once. Failed to go once more. So I'm gonna stay bullish on this one. Definitely gonna stay on bullish, hoping that price will try to go into this channel. Yeah. To that order block up there. So I'm absolutely bullish. If I choose TradeAway when purchasing my expert account, can I trade directly on TradingView without paying TradeAway? Without paying TradingView, sorry, subscription fee. you can. There is only one thing though, and it's a very good question, Pat. There is one thing. If you don't have any subscription on TradingView, the dog is barking, so that's bullish. If you don't have any subscription on TradingView, then there is going to be, I think, a 3-second delay, even on your futures chart. So you have to subscribe to the essential package. It's called essential or basic because the basic is the free package, which everybody has on TradingView. The essential package is basically the basic subscription. If you guys are using the free package on TradingView, you can notice that on Forex pairs you have like a 5-second lag. Compare it to whatever MetaTrader or whatever platform you're using on Forex pairs. There's a 5-second delay. If you compare it to futures, what I noticed is there is like a 3-second delay. If you don't have any subscription, you just log in with the prop firm access to TradeAwait. There is still going to be like a 3-second delay. You can check it out, correct me if I'm wrong, but the candles are not going to be printing that fast, which could be difficult. Everyone is asking where to get the dog indicator. It's only for VIP members, and you have to be part of the Discord membership, and we give that out only to Discord members, the dog indicator actually, but it's available, and we updated a lot about that. You cannot trade. You cannot trade indices indices, yeah. There should be no delay, perhaps a fraction of a second. Online safety, good question. So that's why I don't know, because I am actually a subscriber on TradingView for the essential package, plus I pay for the data. So I pay for the data, but if you're not a subscriber and on TradingView and you get access to the data through some of these prop firms, and that's why I subscribe too, because I noticed a 3-second delay, and other people were telling me that too, that they were experiencing the same thing, like there was like a 3-second lag deliberately from TradingView to buy the essential package, even if you have access to CME data. Maybe I'm wrong, so you guys check it out. If I'm wrong, then I take it back and I'm sorry, I apologize, but that was one of the reasons that I actually bought the essential package, not because of the currencies or anything, but just so I don't have a lag in the candles. Actually not, because I don't even have TradeAwait access, so I subscribe to data as well. But check it out. You know, you definitely can log in with My Funded Futures. So sorry about the late answer. You can log in. You can trade with TradingView through TradeAwait. Just check out the lag. If it's lagging, then you can still use TradeAwait platform. It's actually very user-friendly. I would use it. I just can't copy trade between multiple prop firms. That's the problem. Otherwise, it's user-friendly. Oh yeah, I was so happy. We reached over 2K subscribers last Friday, I think, or Friday. And I was super happy, so thank you everyone for subscribing. And if you haven't subscribed already, please do. Let's push it, and push the like button too. I promised, and I will keep my promise. I was still waiting for this. I mean, this weekend I was busy as well, but I'm waiting for my programmer guy who is updating some stuff in the background, and the giveaways are coming back. And what else? Yeah, there's going to be a little bit of update on my site, and you guys will see. So I'm very happy for everyone. We're here for the long term, guys. We're here for the long term. All right, so it's massaging the top here. Should be breaking through, and if it does, I can imagine this one going higher. So be careful with the shorts for now. Even though we're in overbought territory, I wouldn't go short right here, even if I would have a signal. This looks like it wants to go higher and higher and higher. There's a fair value gap on the 5-minute at 903. Actually, I'm going to put it here. So that's a fair value gap. Could be going higher. It's very close. Very, very, very close. And don't forget, until Thursday, you will still have time to get into the big sale with Apex. And also, BULENOX made something special. BULENOX wants to get into the race. They also lowered down the 250K account. So let me see. Just a second. Option one. What's about option 2? Yeah, so the 250K account is also $16 at BULENOX with the TOM250 code. The reason why I might not be taking it is because the activation fee is high. There's no information about having a discount on the activation fee. But anyway, the 90% sale is still on with BULENOX and Apex. My Funded Future still gives you the 30% off as a brand new registration with the expert account. So go check it out. Go check it out. Okay. I wish I could say that we have London open in a few minutes, but we're not. No London open for now. And also TOPSTEP gives you an additional 20% if you register for a new account using my link. Thank you. We still have coupon codes for Trade Day and Take Profit Trader. Tomorrow I'm gonna be trading Take Profit Trader on the stream. Hopefully I will get the account to funded. I do like the payout policy with Take Profit Trader. So let's go. Sorry boys, we closed London. On Tuesday announcement, watch out for TOPSTEP coming out with 5 XFA accounts apparently on all platforms. Oh yeah. Now TOPSTEP is allowing 5 XFA accounts instead of 3 XFA or funded accounts, which is, I know people are gonna like that. So that's a good news. Hopefully not just on the TOPSTEP X platform. Yeah, so apparently all platforms. Yeah. Yeah, thank you, Isham. That's actually that's a good reminder. I think this one is going to break higher. It should be. Actually, if it goes down, I might even gonna take another long. If it goes to an oversold section of the channel, just to, you know, test out the system. Now it should be breaking. Next target should be 903. 903. So made a new high. This one could be slow. Oh yeah, I hope that this policy will change in the future, because last time we spoke about it too. Like, there are some countries on the banned list that are completely, I mean, I don't understand. European, oh, I know some other countries as well should be on it, but for example, because I live in the European Union, there are countries from the European Union who are actually doing great, and they're still on the banned list. So, I don't know. Very interesting, but they should change it in a positive way. Oh, sorry. Sound effects. Ba 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 bum ba bum ba bum ba bum. We are waiting, guys. Waiting and waiting, and 5-minute fair value gap up there. I think it will go there. Should be. That's the only way. The only way. Let's check on gold. What's happening? Gold is going sideways this morning. Nothing special. Crude, oh my god, it's terrible. ES also edging higher. Yeah, ES could be making some new highs as well. So anyway, let's get back to Nasdaq. Be careful with the shorts. It still looks very bullish. For example, here we have a gap at 80, below 80, sorry. Heiken actually doesn't look bad, first place. I'm looking to backtest. I mean, don't take my word on this one. In the past years, I always looked on it, but I know more traders are hating it than loving it. So most cases, traders hate Heiken Ashi candles because whatever. I have no opinion yet because I was just testing out this strategy over the weekend. This is not a strategy even. This is just an entry model. So you still need basic market structure understanding and draw on liquidity and stuff like that. So without that, it's useless. Just as everything else, of course. Any pointers for backtest? Well, And nothing really. I mean, for entries, I already told this that I'm looking for overbought, oversold territory, looking for doji candles and or candles with flat tops or flat bottoms here. For example, on the short, I would be looking for a candle like this that has no upper wick. On a long, I would be looking for a candle with no wick on the downside. Usually trying to make, okay, so right here, this could be interesting. Went down on the channel, repricing one fair value gap, two fair value gap. There's no London open and still there is some volume kicking in. Repricing one gap, two gap. You know, just touch the downside of this channel. After this candle, this is the 1 minute chart. Oh, by the way, where did I put that? Yeah. Let me put this back too. So after this one, might be wiser to wait for a stochastic, wait for a reversal to the upside. That's what I'm going to do. This indicates a strong move, which it was compared to the previous candles. It can still go down to 68, reprice that small gap. And what could be happening is a continuation to the upside. I'm going to rename this. Relative equal highs or buy side. Let's put it there. Now you guys can see it there. Okay. So that's what that is. And if it starts to shift, it could be good for a possible long. There are good targets up there, so let's wait. This is a 5 minute chart. This is a 1 minute chart. Not that it really matters that much, but... And we're only testing this out because markets is not open. Markets are not open, actually. Except for the UK, other European countries, I mean, stock exchanges are open. So that should be giving some volume. Okay, so this candle is not going to be worth it because even though we touched the channel, this candle still has a wick. This is not my type of entry candle, although we will see the next one. If we can have a continuation higher, the stochastic is down there. So I have to wait for the next candle anyway. Okay, so this candle looks like it could be all right. It doesn't have any wick yet on the bottom. Stochastic is curving up there. We are bullish. Absolutely, we're bullish still. It could change, but for now we're bullish. And If it stays like this, you know, entering somewhere here, it could be interesting. We'll see. I'm going to enter to a buy position. We are only testing this one. All right, so this is just paper trading, guys. This is paper trading. This is not my type of entry model or strategy. All right, so I'm pushing the button right now. So I entered. Stop loss. The risk to reward ratio is always going to be bad. Just saying, it's always bad. You can go with a 1-to-1. I think it will be risky. The risk to reward ratio is most likely going to be negative almost all the time, because the midsection of the channel and it's repainting. So what you can do is actually maybe add maybe I can close some of it manually right now. Okay, I sold 2. I put the rest of the TP up there. We'll see. I have to go out and use the bathroom. I'll be right back. Don't go anywhere. Push the like button, subscribe. We're going to be testing this out throughout the day. Thank you for the subscription. Tuhan. Sorry. Welcome to the channel. Welcome. Good to see you. Good to see you. Alright, so hopefully this will go up. Don't forget, 5-minute gap is up there. I'll be right back. Please don't go anywhere. All right, I'm here. Let's see. Still in the trade. Wow. All right. I thought it's gonna go higher, but it didn't. Good thing I took some partials. Now, this would be kind of a second entry on this trade. But what I can do is, you know, decrease my risk on this one and maybe hope that it will go a little bit higher. Okay, so managing risk, right? Lowering risk, managing risk. Oh, I was in with a very small position. Could be out with a stop loss here. Anyway, on the upside, I would still like to see some bullish move. 5-minute fair value gap hopefully goes higher. If not, we can return back down to midnight levels or Asia lows, which would be awesome because we have a Sunday low at 833, so we can still go down, and then the channel should be changing. We can target that. For now, it looks like it still might want to make it higher, but it can also drop. So I would not add to this position for sure. Man, I think there could be an error with my microphone. I want to do a sound test. Sorry guys, I'm gonna do some sound check with the microphone. My apologies, but I have to check out the sound of what's going on. Okay, noise reduction is still working, which is a good thing. Never mind then. Sorry. Okay, started to go up again. The mid-level of the channel is still there. I'd like to get out from this position here at 86.50. What's the high of this one? The high is 86. Okay, so my TP is in place for the second half of the position. Or what I can do is I can hold it for a little bit longer. You know what? Let's hold it a little bit longer. All right. And if it goes above 86, I might put it to break even. How about that? And let's target the 900 with 899. Seems fine, just a man with a face for radio. Thank you. Thank you, John Carter. Oh my god. My phone is adding some sounds. Mm-hmm. I have to edit the filters here. Filters, edit filters, noise suppression level. Okay, should be a little bit better. It's still not going for that high, but it should be. You know what? I'm gonna take profit here. I don't care. If it tries to break that, what's the uh-oh? Oh, it might turn around. It could be. Look at that. It's back to break even. It doesn't really want to break that level. Interesting. We might go lower, ladies and gentlemen. We might go lower. This is what we get when there is no volume in the market. Let me check Bitcoin again just for fun. No, it's too high. This one could have been good. So here there was a long opportunity from this candle, which I didn't take. Now on Bitcoin, it could be a short now. Going down again. Can very well be. How about if I short this one on Bitcoin for fun? No, I don't want to do that. We're gonna stick with the good old trade. So if somebody's asking what the hell am I doing, we're just paper trading and testing out this entry model. Nothing special. I had some good trades over the weekend with it on Bitcoin, but now we're just testing it with low risk on Nasdaq. And that's it. Because the market is not open, what should we do? I'm not trading the funded account, that's for sure. So that's why I'm stuck trading with this. Why not? But it's interesting. Anyway, guys, don't forget, until Thursday, the sale is going on with Apex, also with BULENOX too. 90% off. Recurring month from the second month is 80%, so only the first month is 90%. But anyway, you can still check it out. If you're brand new with My Funded Futures, you can get the expert account. And I think the static is still on for up to 30% off. Check it out. I'm not sure what kind of promos these prop firms are going to be having for the next month, but having a 90/80% discounted account in your portfolio is still a good price, in my opinion. Still a good price. Oh, I'm out from this trade. How much did I? Oh, yeah, I'm negative 12 bucks on this one. That's the problem with this. Even though I took some partials, it did not cover my loss completely. But it's all right. Still should be going higher. Problem is that the stochastic is still at the midpoint, so no entry at all. The markets are open except London. Blues Queen, thank you for being here, by the way. But yeah, it's I mean, yeah, sorry, New York. Yeah, you're right, New York. New York is gonna open, yeah, until 1 p.m. London is closed as well. Tom, when you pass an eval, do you have to pay the activation fee immediately for the funded account, or can you wait for as long as you want? Depends on which prop firm, Black Master. For example, on BULENOX, you have 1 week to pay for the activation fee, and they can extend it to you. If you write to support, they can extend it to you for up to 3 weeks, I think. But you have to write to support. The basic time is 1 week on BULENOX, I think. I mean, yeah, the link is active for 1 week, the payment link. On Apex, it's 24 hours. Sorry, 48 hours, not 24. 48, so 2 days on Apex. But Methodical Man said the other day that if you sign the contract for the PA account at Apex, the payment link is still going to be active for until, I don't know, it's going to be active for weeks. But I don't know about that. At Apex, it's 24 hours. Why do I say 20? 48 hours on basic. So you should ask support. On TOPSTEP, you have 30 days to activate. 30 calendar days on TOPSTEP. And I'm going to step into a buy order here. And I messed it up. Of course I did. So 30 days at TOPSTEP, which is great. Which is absolutely great. And if this one goes down a little bit more, I might add to it. Just have to sign in 84. Okay, but as long as subscription is active, you can pay whenever. Okay, there you go, the Mad Scalper. Thanks for the answer. So what I did recently is when I passed the account, I paid it the other day or whatever. But it's good to know. It's good to know. It works like that. All right. Okay, so I added more to this trade. And now it could be going down. Good morning, Cosmo. Today I will not trade, so please don't be upset if you guys don't see big moves. Yeah, I talked to my friends here at Chicago. Okay, good, good. And we agreed not to make Cosmo. I actually appreciate the input, so thank you. It's going down. It could be going down. I agree. As I said, I'm just testing. I'm just messing around with this system. Actually, I messed it up because I shouldn't have entered on this trade anyway. So I might be exiting from this one. But yeah, don't expect anything special today. This is just paper trading, messing around with this entry model, with the linear regression entry along with the stochastic. And actually, I should be exiting this position. So I'm going to be exiting at break even from this one because my entry is actually not valid here. Unfortunately, I think it's going to go against me. Yeah, I just exited. Down $7, not a big deal, but yeah. Oh, too many text. All right. I did not take trade on my funded accounts or on my evaluation accounts this morning because of the lack of volume. Look at that. I'm actually not I'm always trading the same strategy or the same thing with smart money. Today I'm just testing this system. I did not change anything on my main entry model. I always look for draw on liquidity, look for a fair value gap with a market structure shift. That's always what I trade. But this is just an entry model. Somebody recommended me who is making, I know him in person, who is making money with this entry model. And it's actually just Heiken Ashi with what's it called? Linear regression channel. That's all. So that's it. This is just paper trading testing. I don't want to trade on my funded accounts today, and neither on my evaluations, I think so. So okay, could be going down a little bit. So just testing. And this is why I exited this trade here, because if I would be looking for a long on this regression channel, I would like to enter when the stochastic is in oversold. That would have a higher probability. But on the other hand, let me delete all these labels because distracting. I like to see this go to the 5-minute fair value gap up there at 903, maybe even higher. We have some good targets. We have an order block up there. So I'm still bullish on NQ. We'll see what it does. Okay, so this was a nice short on Bitcoin, which I didn't take. It should be almost a take profit by now. All right, boys and girls, I'm off. Have a good day, Zoltan. Thank you for dropping in. Has neutral called what? Robotaxi or Roboto Oracle? Nice. You're welcome, Zoltan. Hope to see you soon. Have a good one. Okay, waiting and waiting and waiting. Mihalis, what are the settings of linear? Everything is basic. Everything is basic. 100 deviation of 2. That's it. Everything is basic as it is on TradingView. I'm just testing it. So everything is basic. Yeah, thank you, Cosmo. I was very excited last week. We reached 2K subs. That was awesome, and I'm really happy for you guys. And if you haven't subscribed already, please do. Please do. Let's see what is gonna happen here. Like my vodka, I'm off. This is no price action. Yeah, it's yeah. This is a funeral. I agree. And by the way, thanks for dropping by. It's definitely not ideal conditions to trade. I wish there would be, but it's not that. Hope to see you soon. Have a good day. Well, there are days like this, especially on bank holidays. I know it's frustrating, it's slow. It definitely takes a toll on everyone. Anyway, we're waiting. Okay, this could be a possible entry on NQ again. Sorry, I sneezed. Anyway, I entered to this position right here. Let's see how it goes. Still in the hope that this one could go higher. And we're just scalping. If it decides to drop, then it will drop anyways. Maybe what I can do here, modify. Can I modify this? No, I can't. I'm gonna have to add a modify order quantity. Let's take this. Let's put a sell limit there, and we're gonna have a runner after that. How about that? Could be good. You hear EPRA's trying to make payout in shorter time and cut the 10 days. Maybe they just saying so people forget the issue. I heard that they want to cut down the waiting time. That's actually good. I don't think it is like, you know, taking the attention away from the under review stats. They actually said it as well, like in the video. If you applied your payout, I mean, if you applied for a payout on the 15th or the 16th, the review will be happening on this week. And they also said that they have a lot of accounts to check. So I have nothing, absolutely no fear in my mind. And you know what? If they go down, they go down. That's it. I always told you guys, never put all your eggs in one basket. So if Apex goes down, it goes down. If TOPSTEP goes down, it goes down. Any one of these prop firms can go down any single day without one single notice. Never forget that, guys. Never forget. Prop firms are great, but you know, we love them. We want them to stay, but Try to diversify. But I'm right now at this moment I'm 100% sure there's going to be absolutely no issue with Apex in this. Actually, I hope that they will really do that fast payouts. That would be great. That would be awesome. I was still bullish and I shouldn't have been. The channel is now repainting from here to here, which I don't like. You want to be my prop firm, Tom. Put 20k on my account so I can trade. No rules, please. You know what? I can call up some rich people in some countries. Maybe they will help us out. It's not working out. This trade is right now not working out. Hey Tom, there is a better, more accurate linear regression channel indicator that I use, but you have to make changes to the settings. Name linear regression channel curve slope. Okay, I'll check it out. They are businesses and businesses fail sometimes. Exactly. Good information now. Let me check it. This trade seems like it's going to the dumpster. So sorry about that. I'm gonna be actually losing a few bucks on this. I think it's almost at stop loss. So there you go, I'm out. Linear regression. Channel. Okay, this is it. Can't see it. Oh yeah, because I'm already okay. Never mind. I'm gonna delete some indicator from here. Alright, too many candles. There's some issue. I'm looking for short to equal lows. 959. Yeah, go into settings. Seems like there's an error with this one. Let's see what is going on. It's still uptrending channel, but we have some source code here. To edit this code, create a working copy. All right. I might have to use the artificial intelligence to help me out on this one. Anyway, it's cool. Oh, look at that. All right. Okay, here you go. It was only not working on the 1 minute. You have to click the settings icon at the top. All right. Yeah. Hours, seconds, month. All right. Quite a few settings. Shouldn't display when time frame extend enabled. And use time frame applicable on intraday charts only. So I might have to go to 1 hour maybe. How about that? It's not working. Or is it? It seems like it's working. Oh yeah, it is. Okay. Might have to go down, for example, 50. Oh, there you go. There you go. Now we have something here. Looks good. Actually looks good. Now, unclick the 2 hour settings. Okay. What? 2 hour settings. Okay, now it's getting better. I just set it to 50 candles. Look at that. Looks nice, by the way. By the looks of it. It really looks nice. Maybe even nicer than the other one. Yeah. Have different colors, but it's cool. I can change that whenever. So I got married to the idea that this one should be breaking higher. Maybe it should. Makes me dizzy looking at all this. Damn it, I have to do something about noise filter. Okay, now it should be better a little bit. It's not better. It's not better. It's not filtering enough. Okay, what about this candle right now? Could be going long on this. Bias is still bullish. Stochastic is coming out from this ditch. So why not? Stop loss down there. TP is up there. Could be adding more to the trade if necessary. Let's see. Looks good to me. Could be going higher just a little bit. Okay, so the risk to reward ratio, I told you guys, is always going to be bad on this one. It's always going to be negative. But we should be having about a 75 to 80% win ratio. The problem is I didn't put too much weight on this trade right now. Let's wait it out. And it's going down. Come on. Let's see something here. Let's see a push higher. Just one push. We're just hovering here. Not much is happening. Still waiting, still waiting. Oh man, it's just too slow. Nothing is really moving. It's too slow. Silver bullet hour is up already. And by the time price gets up here, everything is getting like super tired. So I'm just exiting this position. So that's it about testing. Nothing's moving, guys. This is typically the day. Well, it's a good thing that we're just testing all this stuff. Although, let's check some possible entries here. There could have been an entry to go short at 82, target the lows down there. So optimal trade entry could be somewhere here if someone went short on this as a classic entry model. The 1-to-1 was working out, even although almost the 1-to-2. Should have stayed with one trade, right? Anyway, this is a slow day. Hi, S&P 500. What is your analysis? How long you were trading? I'm trading since 2022 actively. Only profitable, I would say, since last October, since I'm taking payouts from prop firms. And this is what I what I did here was just testing out this this system. S&P, well, I used the ES as futures, but there's absolutely no volume on ES, so I don't really trade it in London session. As you see, it's terrible. So I don't really trade it, especially in London, even on good days. But let me get these out of the way, the executions, because it's kind of disturbing. Okay, so what I would be watching for is this, to go and maybe try to take out the 5-minute fair value gap above the 900 and maybe go for the order block up there in the gray area. That would be great. That would be awesome to see. That would be absolutely great. Maybe, of course, we can have some better volume at opening at 9:30. Eastern Standard Time, but I don't really expect anything else until then. Well, it's the waiting game. It's the waiting game. If I try to analyze this trade, which I previously took, wasn't actually a bad entry. Again, I would say the drawn liquidity should be at 903. Because on Friday, it didn't quite make it back to the order block up there. This is the 1 hour. So it didn't go back to the order block. It might try to push once more up there to that Friday high. So I'm going to stay bullish for the rest of the day. I don't know what's going to happen. Maybe nothing is going to happen. Just go sideways. Otherwise, it's typically the session when, you know, nothing is happening. Oh, guys, somebody pulled the plug on the markets. What can we do? Not much, right? Anyway, I think I'm not going to take more trades. I'll be coming back in the New York session. All right, let's see if we have some volume. I don't want to sit here for hours and doing nothing because it's just useless. So guys, thank you very much for watching. Please come back in the New York session. I'll be back as well. And let's hope that maybe some volume will kick in at the market open. All right, so thank you for watching. Please get the codes last few days to get the 90% and the good sales. So thank you very much for watching. I'll be back in New York, but Nothing to do here. Absolutely none. Non-tradable event. All right. So have a good morning, evening, or night, and see you guys in New York. All right, Black Master, I'm going to check it out. Thank you. Take care, guys. See you later. All right.